Hello, I'm Jenny Lee Cockrell, founder and CEO of National Real Estate Payments Corporation. Today I want to discuss a very important program that we have for buyers. It's called Beat the Bank, and Beat the Bank is the alternative to traditional mortgages and traditional bank financing. Typically you would want to use this program because you have gone to a bank or a lender of some sort and been turned down for a mortgage. We have a company, National Real Estate Payments, that has actually created the programs to put buyer and seller together. So if we have a willing buyer and a willing seller, and most likely those two are going to have real estate agents, we actually create the contract for the parties based upon the terms that the parties have both agreed to, and we create a payment for you based upon the interest rate that you have agreed to pay the seller. We add the interest, we add the taxes, we add the insurance, and we add the HOA if that is applicable. This is what creates your mortgage payment. Each month, you will make those mortgage payments to National Real Estate Payments Corporation instead of a bank. We are able to manage your escrow much like what a bank does. We are able to report your payment history to the credit bureau, similar to what a bank does. And this enables you to, one, you're actually building equity in the house because, of course, you are paying, a principal in the payment each month. And then you, of course, are getting the benefit of your taxes where you get to write off the interest on your taxes. Plus, it is your home, so you get to improve it and paint it and do the things that you want to do with your home. So, and usually, depending upon what your particular issues are, anywhere from a year to 3 years, you're generally ready to go to a bank and refinance this note with the seller. And then turn it into a 30-year mortgage or a 15-year mortgage or whatever you choose to do. That's not saying that we do not do them for 30 years like a bank does, because we do have some that are 30 years. It's just that many sellers prefer to have their cash out of the house within a couple of years. So this is a perfect interim program for people who do not qualify for a bank loan at this time. Believe it or not, that's more than 50% of the population. I know that number is pretty amazing that that's more than 50% of the population, but it is. So if you're one that's been turned down for a home loan, certainly don't feel like you're in a minority, because you're not, unfortunately. It's a large problem right now, but that's why we created this program. I am the ADHD CEO. So I cannot help myself when I see a problem and I can find a solution, and we found the company to solve this problem for this particular group of customers. So you, as the buyer, is someone that we are very passionate about. As a matter of fact, it's why we started this business, because we realize that you're credit-worthy people. It's just that you may have had a bump along the road somewhere, or perhaps you haven't even had time to build your credit. Whatever the case may be, we look forward to helping you, and we will look forward to putting you in your home. Have a wonderful day.